Government of Pakistan is offering free of cost vocational training program in collaboration with Nano Cyber. That includes Salesforce Certified Administrator courses. Salesforce is a company that designs cloud-based customer relationship management (CRM) software to help businesses generate more leads, close more deals, drive sales, track and analyze data, and offer superior customer service. Salesforce offers a suite of products called Customer 360 that connects sales, service, marketing, and commerce under one system, so that everyone within an organization can access customer information and use it to perform duties. A Salesforce Administrator is someone who has passed a certifying exam and is qualified to function as an advisor for getting the most out of the Salesforce CRM platform. Salesforce administrators typically work with company stakeholders to customize the platform, support users within the company, and forge a connection between business and technology. Join the exciting journey of becoming Salesforce Administrator.